Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple exercise to relieve lower back pain and help with spinal mobility and health. No equipment required. Just go ahead and get onto your back and bring your knees over your hips. Arms can come out to the sides. Again, knees are over the hips. And I'm going to do a little bit of twisting and movement here. So inhale and bring your legs out to the right. And as you exhale, use your core strength to bring your legs back to the middle. Inhale to the left. And again, using your core strength, exhale, squeeze your legs back to the middle. So go ahead and continue this at your own pace. But this is a very simple exercise called a reclined twist that helps to create space in your lower back and relieve tension in your lower back. We're also working your core muscles, your abdominal muscles, and that helps to take pressure out of your low back as well. So we're doing a lot of different things at once with this very simple exercise, but for almost everyone that I've ever met and all the people that I've trained and worked with, this is a really good one for helping to relieve stiffness or pain in the lower back. And then the cool thing about this is you can also change this into a hold. So instead of bringing it back to the middle, you can hold your legs out to the outside, bring your right hand, so whatever leg is to the side, bring that corresponding hand on top, and then extend the other arm to the outside. And your goal here is to keep the shoulder on the ground while getting your hips to face to the outside. And then breathing deeply in and out of your nose. And sometimes when you're in a twist, that's hard to do, but if you can focus on doing that, you'll actually improve your mobility more, and that's going to help your back feel way better. So you can do reps-wise, you can do 5 to 10 reps per side, and then you can do a twist where you hold this for, I would say, at least 30 seconds and maybe up to 45 or 60 seconds. So you're just going to do that. Make sure you do it on both sides. And you want to try and use your core strength here to get your hips and your core toward the ground. Don't let your chest puff up away from the ground. And then also try to get the back of your shoulder on the ground. If it comes up off the ground at first, that's okay. You don't need to worry about that. But as you get more mobile, it will stay, it won't come off the ground as high. And that's it. So you can do this exercise once or twice per day. If you have lower back pain, I would recommend doing this every day. And over time, it's going to help with chronic back pain. And in the short term, it should help to immediately relieve back pain, which is pretty cool because not a lot of exercises have immediate results. But a lot of the stuff that we do with yoga and the stuff that I'll show you on with Manflow Yoga does do that. So if you're not already following me, make sure you follow me here on whatever you're watching. But I'm also on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You can follow me on all of those channels. And if you want to learn more about what I do and actually jump into a program to get more significant results, to actually follow a plan, then head to my website at manflowyoga.com. Tons of content over there as well. Much more than what you'll see here. Exclusive content, exclusive programs, and a pretty awesome community on manflowyoga.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, make sure to like it, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next video.